We are following this road and gonna work away, I think, up there. I'd have to look at a map. Right now I'm just following the road. Not sure. I don't think it's a desert parsley. Here's the leaves. I forget what this is called. It has, what's it, the basil leaves that grow on the bottom, down below. Okay, it's filming this. I don't know who owns this tower. Could be T-Mobile, not sure. All right, we came across this this round pond. Haven't seen any water up here. It's not necessarily desert, but and then we saw this. It's very mucky looking. Huh. Oh, I think this is biscuit root. Either that or buckwheat. It has these right here, as you can see. It's very the leaves are, I don't know, they're very small. We're looking down the road from the direction we've come. Now we're getting close. And that white thing right there, it looks like a giant badminton birdie. Either that or NASA lost its space shuttle. Okay, I just panned around. I can't do a full 360 because the weird white thing is in the way, but you get the idea. Found the survey marker. It says Stacker 2. I think I'm gonna wrap it up here. It's been a great day. Perfect, just perfect weather. And the hike up to Stacker Butte here was just phenomenal. And wildflowers, I'd say they're, other than the balsam root, which kind of have kind of peaked. The rest of them are they're blooming at full tilt, and it's pretty exciting to see. So be sure to give this video a like and share and subscribe. And I appreciate all my subscribers. I always say that, but I really do mean it. And I will see you next time.